About 7 months ago, Rigid Tools introduced their new 3-drawer rolling toolbox. And since then, every review, every comment I saw on Home Depot and other websites has have nothing but good things to say about the 3-drawer system. Now, Rigid was kind enough to send me a couple of them, and so far I love the design, I love how they work, the hardware is great. Look out for the full review. And they knocked the 3-drawer system out of the park, and it's even more convenient because you can actually detach it from the handle and you can have it as a standalone piece in your workshop, in the back of your vehicle, whatever scenario best suits you. But it made a lot of people wonder, what is Milwaukee waiting on? Now, I wonder if we don't have to wait anymore, because I found these two photos on Facebook. I'm going to put the name of the individual I got the picture from, and this was on a Packout group on Facebook, so you can probably check it out. I'm going to put a link for that. And the question is it real? Is it AI, or is this a modification? Who knows? But if it's real, it's really exciting that they have finally entered the rolling drawer toolbox game. Now, some will say they're a bit too late, because Tough Built has already introduced the single drawer rolling toolbox. They're 4-drawer, they're 2-drawer, they're single drawer units, and they've been doing very well. Now, Rigid Tools obviously is ahead of the game, and other companies have already introduced their toolbox. Now, Rigid is going to introduce a 2-drawer system that will also be very useful for larger tools, and I can't wait for that as well. And a lot of other companies have introduced their drawer system, but it seems as if Milwaukee is probably perfecting their drawer system. Who knows? Maybe they're trying to make it a little more like the Rigid, because even though you have a drawer system, it can get very heavy. And for you to have the ability to remove the handle and to make it accessible or easier to carry or store is probably something that they're working on right now. Who knows? DeWalt's in the game. I wonder why DeWalt's is so behind Klein Tools. So Milwaukee, what are you?